YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave. I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, welcome back to another video. In this video right here, I'm going to show y'all how I made 3 bands today in like 2 minutes trading US30. Now, before I actually get into that, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. If you're going to actually watch this video, if you're actually interested in what I'm about to talk about, then like the video. You owe me a like right now, man. Let's get 100 likes, you feel me? 100 likes ain't nothing, man. If y'all can't do that, that right there is just crazy. All right. If you want to get access to anything I'm about to show you, whether it's the strategy that I use, the link is down below. Join my university. If you want to get the Wave Trader, which is a fully automated trading bot that we have, it would do literally everything for you. The link is down below as well. You can get either one. You better get it now before it's too late, before the price go up, man. All right. Now, first things first. The pair that I like to trade is US30. US30 is the only thing that I ever trade. All of these trades, or not all of these trades, but this trade was taken on TikTok Live. I go live every single day at 9 o'clock Eastern, 9 a.m. Eastern. And I call out trades literally every day. And I'm not going to lie, son. Them joints be hitting damn near every single day. It's actually kind of crazy. And today is low-key no different. So I'm going to show y'all pretty much what was going through my mind and why I took this trade. And yeah, man, let's get straight into it. So first things first, like I said, I like to trade US30. It's literally the only thing that I trade. When I first get to the chart, I like to start off on the daily time frame, and we just zoom in a little bit. Now, for the past few weeks, man, US30 has literally been dropping. And if you've been on our lives, we've been calling US30 to go lower damn near every single day. So, like, I think it was right here when we first started saying, like, all right, man, we are bearish on US30. So if you literally was just selling US30 every single day for the past few weeks, you literally could have been making bread, son, like, without losing a trade, depending on where your stop loss is. Now, let's say that you sold it on, like, a day like this. It gave you about 30 points of profit before it probably put you in drawdown. But at 30 points, bro, that could be $30. That could be $300. This can literally be 3 bands right here. You feel me? And by the end of the day, if you would have held it to the end of the day, you would have ended in drawdown. But if you would have just kept holding it, because we understand that the overall trend of US30 is bearish, the very next day, even if you would have sold it again, boom, profit again. You feel me? So I say all that to say, you literally could have just been selling it every single day and making bread from it. For me, I prefer to trade on the higher time frames because the trends don't change so freaking often. You feel me? Like, it's literally just sell every single day. All right. But pretty much this is the current day right here. So we just gonna act like this didn't happen. You know, just looking at this, we were definitely bearish on US30 based off of the daily time frame, simply because all of these days has been making lower lows and lower highs. Now, this was the last candle. This was the last candle that we saw. And I mean, just the fact that it is a new week, just the fact that it is like almost in the middle of the month, or it is pretty much the middle of the month, a mid-month reversal, I mean, it was bound to happen. You know, it's been dropping so long so far. Like, I mean, a reversal is bound to happen. Now, is this going to go all the way up to here? I don't know, you feel me? I can't say all of that, but I'm honestly not surprised that, you know, it's going up. I still can't say that I'm bullish. Something will have to happen for me to say, like, I think it's going to start going up long term, and it hasn't happened yet. But just based off of this, you know, we were definitely bearish. So next we go down to the 4-hour time frame. And on a 4-hour time frame, none of this had happened yet, or this candle was still active. And I think it was bullish. I don't remember exactly where it was at the time, but it was around here, I believe. And based off of the 4-hour time frame, we did call bullish on this. So when you do, I always tell people, like, you want to keep trading as simple as possible, all right? Because when you learn a bunch of different strategies, when you get a lot of knowledge, a lot of times, like, all of those things can become contradicting. And that's when you encounter something called analysis paralysis. And I'm telling you now, analysis paralysis is real. So what I mean by that is, like, I'm only using one strategy, and I already done told you on a daily time frame I was bearish, but I'm looking on the 4-hour time frame. I'm bullish. So even those two things right there are making me think like, damn, but is it gonna go up or down? Because one is showing me up, the other one's showing me down. So I mean, you got to keep it as simple as possible. But on a 4-hour time frame, like I said, this didn't happen at the time, but we definitely was calling bullish simply because all of these candles had closed above all of these highs. Once again, it was making higher highs and it was making higher lows besides, this low point right here. But none of these candles closed down here. So that's why we kind of just didn't really take that into regards. It's definitely aiming for this high right here. Like in real life right now, it's definitely about to hit that. But we was calling bearish activity. Was calling bearish on the 4-hour time frame. And then we go down to the 1-hour time frame. This candle, it was active like by the time we took the trade, because I take my trades at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, and I literally do that every single day. All right, why do I trade at 9:30? For one, that's when the market opens, and I know a lot of people say, yo, bro, why are you trading that market open? Like, you just gambling. People say that all the time. But the reason why I trade at 9:30 is because I know, regardless of what happens, regardless of if I'm right or wrong, I know that there's going to be an influx of volume every single day at 9:30. The market is going to move every single day at 9:30. And I can't tell you how many times I've taken a trade and it just didn't move, or it was just literally at break even for hours. And I'll much rather lose right now or win right now than just sit in a trade for hours and wait for hours. So based off of the 1-hour time frame, we did call bullish, or I called bullish, and I told everybody inside of not the Discord, I told everybody on TikTok live that I was bullish. And so we were definitely bullish. Like I said, this candle didn't close at the time, but the reason why we call bullish is simply because these candles, 1, 2, 3, even 4, 5, they all was making higher highs and higher lows. Besides this little low right here, this kind of just took out this liquidity, and then it started to make it started to go up higher and higher and higher. All right, so then we go down to the 1 minute time frame, and all of these clips, you can see these clips on my TikTok, and you can see them on my YouTube Shorts, because I do post them on both, and I post them on Instagram as well. I know a lot of people ask like, yo, bro, do you have like a community? I do have a Discord community. The link is in the bio. Sometimes I make it free. Sometimes I charge for it. So you kind of just, right now it is free. So you got to get in as soon as you can, because I'm always changing my business and just changing different things. And I'm telling you now, it's not going to be free forever. But we did call bullish, and I like to look at the chart on a 1 minute. Excuse me. I like to look at the chart on a 1 minute time frame, simply because I don't know. I just like the way it looks, and you can see the structure pretty cleanly on a 1 minute, especially at market open. So at 9:30, I literally took a buy right here. It gave me a little bit of slippage, because I wanted to get in as soon as the candle closed, but I mean that's like 5 points of slippage, so I wasn't even really tripping. Got into the trade. I was immediately in profit for about 25 points. It came back down, and I was in drawdown for like 20 points, which is really nothing in the grand scheme of things, So I think on live, I think I was down like $200, or I don't even know. I was down a little bit just on live, and everybody was seeing it. People in the comments like, yo, bro, get out the trade, get out the trade. And, I've been doing this for a while, so I wasn't really pressed. But yeah, so I took the buy, 1, 2, 3. So I was in the trade for the first 3 minutes. It hit take profit 1. The bot that we have, the wave trader, actually closed out half of the trade right here. Why did it do that? Because that's what I have the wave trader set to do, to close out half of my trade once I'm 100 points in profit, and then it close out the rest once I'm 200 points in profit. And I mean, that's pretty much what happened. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it was pretty much 6 minutes. So I made 3 bands in a matter of 6 minutes. And I mean, as you can see, it literally just kept going higher and higher. Like, it did go, sideways for a while. But this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, imagine getting into a buy right here. Like, imagine getting into a buy at 10 o'clock, and it's just teetering around your trade, and you like, bro, like, The shit is annoying. So I would much rather get in at 9:30 when I know the market's gonna move, because I know it just open and either win right now or lose right now. You can see this level right here that I drew for y'all on live, or not live, but in this video. It is heading for here. I think when I was on live, my target was yesterday's high. So yeah, this was my target yesterday, or my target, overall target. I was telling everybody like, yeah, more than likely, if this is bullish, if I am correct, it's definitely gonna be aiming for yesterday's high. And I mean, we could all see that it definitely did that, and it just blew right by it. And this is actually a good trade. It actually blew right by it. My stop loss is down here, so I was risking about 70 points to make 200 points. And yeah, that's how I made 3 bands in a matter of 6 minutes. I know I said 2 minutes. I don't know why I thought it was 2 minutes. I think it's because, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, 6 minutes, which is, I mean, still good. You feel me? 3 bands in 6 minutes. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did. That's how I found this trade. I do this every single day on TikTok Live. Now, I'm not right every single day. Nobody's right 100%. But I'm telling you, son, the trades I be calling out, them joints really do be hitting. If you want to see it for yourself, follow me on TikTok. Watch those videos. I even post the clips on YouTube Shorts. So I hope you enjoyed this video, man. I hope y'all was able to make some bread from this. I hope y'all was able to capitalize on this move. Even like where you can see where I got in at. If I would have held it, that's 500 points right there. You feel me? I could have paid. I could have bought a new car with that bread right here. You feel me? I could have paid my rent for a few months, just from this one trade. You know, just in one day. So, shout out to US30 for giving us some good price action. Shout out to everybody who is already on the wave. Shout out to everybody who's a part of the university inside the Discord. Shout out everybody who made bread today. Shout out everybody who be on our TikTok lives, man. Everybody who's a part of the wave. All right. I appreciate y'all. If you want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn the strategy that I use, the strategy is super simple, man. Anybody could do it. Even if you're a beginner. If you're a beginner, the way that I break this stuff down is so simple that you can do it too. Like I said, it's not 100%. Nobody's 100% when it comes to trading, but man, if I could get a little kid to understand this, you can definitely understand this. So that's it, man. End of this video. I appreciate y'all. If you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. If you're still watching this, definitely like the video, man. Let's get 100 likes. I would really appreciate it. It don't cost you no bread. You feel me? Might as well just click like, man. If you want to get access to anything that I have, whether you want to join our university, link is in the description. If you want to get the Wave Trader, which is a fully automated bot that will do everything for you, you don't have to do anything. The link is in the description as well. And that's it, man. Here at the Bridge CEO, you already know how I go, man. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Peace.